channel. So I'm super excited because it is almost that day that everybody loves to celebrate the love in their life, and that usually comes with a lot of different things like flowers and sweets. And that's actually why I'm super excited, because I have made a sweets charcuterie board. So I love this. This one is for anyone that is celebrating with a partner, celebrating with friends, or celebrating by themselves, because self-love is just as important. And with that, y'all, let's get it started. So as you can see, I put my favorite sugar cookies on the sides of the boards. Now, I know that this is a huge discussion. People either love these cookies, like I do, or they hate them. And I just want to know why. What happened to you? But that's another day. So I ended up using this charcuterie board and putting the cookies on the side. So I'm not like a huge sweets person, but I do love to dabble in it once in a while. And that's actually also why I got these little animal crackers. I know if you had any sort of childhood, you know what these little suckers are, and they are absolutely delicious. So I put those right at the front of the charcuterie board, which you can see. So these are actually my favorite snacks, sweet snacks. I love these little peach rings. These are my favorites. My friends know that. My mom knows that. These are always like the things that I get in my stockings for Christmas. I love these. And so that is why I put them in here as well. And so as you can see, in the middle, I tried my best, but it's kind of tough to do with Starburst. But I did make a little heart that is surrounded by these Hershey Kisses. Now again, if you've watched, I think I mentioned it in a couple of my other videos, but I actually added these Hershey Kisses for my mom. She is in love with chocolate. I, on the other hand, am not. So I thought it would be the best of both worlds to have some Hershey Kisses on there, and then I gave myself some pink Starbursts. And like I said, I'm not the biggest sweets person, so that's also why I did add the strawberries on the edge here. I would definitely say that I crave fruits over sweets. I know that sounds super obnoxious, but I do. I'm somebody that I would really love a whole big thing of like grapes or strawberries over a big old thing of like cookies and stuff like that, which is funny because the majority of my channel is me making cookies. But you know what? That's for other people, because that also brings me joy. But that is actually why I always like to add like different fruits to my charcuterie boards, whether it is a meat and cheese one or whether it's a sweets one. And so the design that I did for this, I just kind of planned it super simple, just so that it kind of brings your eye. I really tried to stick with a lot of the pink and white. Of course, these little guys don't come in pink and white, but that is okay. But yeah, as you can see, it comes with the Starburst, these strawberries, then it goes a little Hershey's, Peachos, and the little animal crackers, and then you surround them by the cookies. Now I know you're probably thinking, where did you get all these? I know, take a big fat guess. Yes, I got them all at Target. I actually, for the first time, did the little drive-in thing that they offer because it is actually freezing in Dallas, so I did not want to go out and have to go into the store and run around. Nope, I just pulled right up, and they put all of the stuff, because I ordered it all on the Target app, so I highly suggest that that's a great option. And that's also another reason why I'm super excited to have this board, because tomorrow, on actual Valentine's Day, we are supposed to get like 6 inches of snow here. So it is just gonna be me, happy as a bird, eating all these sweets by myself. I'm thrilled to pieces. But I definitely got them all from Target. And these are the sugar cookies that I got. They're always like right up in the front, and you can see them. So I do love that they were white and pink for the holiday. You can actually see they do have little hearts on them. So that's super duper cute. I'm somebody simple. Like you could have brought me just these cookies and I would have been in love. But yeah, these are absolutely wonderful. And then of course I did get the strawberries from Target as well. Target actually has pretty good fruit. I don't know where you are, but for me it always has really good fruit options. These strawberries are super good, so I got that from there. And then going into this, so to match with my theme for my board, I got these Starbursts, and I got them, it is the all pink edition. So I thought that was going to be perfect for the board, but I also do think that they're just the best Starburst, so that's like an extra win for me. And then going into the animal crackers. So I've seen like a bunch of different brands for these, but for this I just wanted to, again, like I said, I'm not the biggest sweets person. So I just got a little bag of the little animal crackers. And next I got the little Peachos. So I call them Peachos. I've seen them called Peachos before, but they're also called Peach Rings, and you can get these anywhere. Target, Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, anywhere they're available. And then last and least, oh, I can smell them from here. But yeah, no, these are the Hershey Kisses that I got. They are, I believe, the Valentine's Day edition because they come in the red, white, or the red, silver, and the pink. So this is definitely for my mom. My goodness, chocolate has such a distinct, strong smell. And there you go. That is my easy peasy sweets charcuterie board. Again, guys, I really do hope that you are able to do something just cute like this. It's super easy to put together, whether it is for you or whether it's for anybody else. But I definitely say just keep it for you. And again, I hope that you guys really do have a really great Valentine's Day. If you aren't with anybody and you're just kind of chilling by yourself, especially in this time of the pandemic, I do hope that you do take it for a self-love day. That is what I am choosing to do. And with that, I'm gonna eat these cookies now because that is also self-love. And I will see y'all later. Bye.